Okay, so good day. So my topic it's all about conventional energy sources and its impact on the environment. So first, let us define what is conventional energy sources. So conventional energy sources is primarily fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, and nuclear energy have been the backbone of industrialization and modern civilization. However, their extraction or processing or transportation and consumption cause severe environmental degradation. So what its impact on the environment? Okay, so first is the first impact on the environment is the air pollution. So air pollution so it is one of the most severe environmental impacts of conventional energy sources, particularly from fossil fuel combustion. The pollutants released contribute to the climate change, health issues, and ecosystem degradation. So under the air pollution, so we have greenhouse gas emissions. Wherein under the greenhouse gas emissions, we have carbon dioxide, which is of course the burning of coal, oil, and natural gas releases vast amounts of carbon dioxide, which is the most significant contributor to the global warming. Next is methane. So extracting and transporting natural gas results in methane leaks, which are 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide in trapping heat in the atmosphere. Then last one is nitrous oxide, which is produced during fuel combustion. Then aside from greenhouse gas emissions, we have also acid rain formation. So under the acid rain formation, so we have sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, wherein these pollutants primarily from coal combustion mixed with atmospheric moisture to form sulfuric acid and nitric acids, which fall as acid rain. Then, what is the effect of acid rain? So, of course, we have soil degradation, which is acid rain leaches essential nutrients from the soil, affecting plant growth. So, when we see leaches, so it's the other term of damaging essential nutrients from the soil. Then, of course, we have also water contamination, wherein acidic precipitation lowers the pH of lakes and rivers, killing fish and aquatic organisms. Then we have also structural damage. Acid rain corrodes buildings, historical monuments, and bridges, particularly those made of limestone or marble. Then we have also particulate matter and smog. So fine particulates or tiny particles from coal and oil combustions penetrate deep into human lungs, leading to respiratory diseases. So then also under the particulate matter and smog, we have this photochemical smog. So a combination of volatile organic compounds and nitrogen oxide reacts with sunlight to produce ground level ozone, causing urban smog, or like this one in the photo. So health effects. So health effects, we have lung diseases. Chronic exposure to air pollution is linked to asthma or bronchitis, emphysema, and lung cancer. Cardiovascular problems, we have also inhaling fine particulates increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. So this is under the cardiovascular problems. Then we have also this premature death. So according to World Health Organizations, millions of premature deaths occur annually due to air pollution. So aside from air pollution, we have also this water pollution and scarcity, which is also the impact of conventional energy sources on the environment. So conventional energy production heavily depends on water, leading to both direct pollution and overuse of water resources. So firstly, we have oil spills in marine ecosystem. So under these oil spills and marine ecosystems, we have this offshore drilling accident. So oil spills from tankers, like for example, Deepwater Horizon spill in 2010, released millions of barrels of crude oil into the ocean. Then aside from that, we have also pipeline leaks, whereas corrosion and mechanical failures cause leaks, contaminating freshwater supplies. So this is the example of Deepwater Horizon spill in 2010. It's not the example, but it's the actual photo of the oil spill in 2010. So consequences of oil spills. So death. So first we have death of marine life. So oil coats the gills of fish, suffocating them and damages the insulating properties of birds' feathers, causing hypothermia. Then you have also this one, food chain contamination. So toxic hydrocarbons accumulate in marine organisms, affecting entire ecosystems and human food sources. Then last one, we have this economic losses. Fishing and tourism industries suffer major financial setbacks due to polluted waters. So aside from that, we have also this coal ash and heavy metal contamination. So first, coal combustion generates ash that contains arsenic, mercury, lead, and cadmium. When improperly stored, these toxic substances leach into the rivers, lakes, and groundwater. So again, when we say leaks, no, leach, it is other term of damaging. So effects of heavy metal pollution. So we have this neurological damage. So mercury bioaccumulates in fish, leading to brain damage and developmental disorders in humans. We have also this other one, kidney and liver damage. Arsenic contaminated drinking water causes organ failure and cancer. So aside from coal ash and heavy metal contamination under the water pollution, we have also this one, nuclear waste contamination. So first we have nuclear power plants produce radioactive waste which if not properly stored can leak into water sources. The Fukushima Daiichi disaster in 2011 released radioactive iodine and cesium into the Pacific Ocean. That is the example. Then have also this one, the dangers of radioactive contamination. Um, the genetic mutations, radiation exposure increases the risk of DNA damage, birth defects, and cancer. Then we have also this long-term contamination. So some radioactive isotopes remain hazardous for thousands of years, making cleanup nearly impossible. So aside from water pollution and scarcity under the impact of conventional sources, energy sources, we have also this land degradation and habitat destruction. So first is deforestation and fossil fuel extraction. So under that one, we have this coal mining and oil drilling require clearing large areas of forest, displacing wildlife. Then another one, natural gas fracking uses vast lands leading to erosion, sinkholes, and habitat fragmentation. So the other one is soil contamination. So under the soil contamination, we have these oil leaks and coal ash seepage introduce toxic chemicals into the soil, affecting the agricultural productivity. Then, aside from that, other from land degradation and habitat destruction, we have also this biodiversity loss. So under this one is we have this direct threats to wildlife. So oil spills, for example, is kill marine mammals like whales, dolphins, and seals by poisoning or suffocation. Then coal mining destroys ecosystems, reducing biodiversity in affected areas. And also, climate change, acid rain, and habitat destructions reduce food availability, so forcing species to migrate or they will be perish. So, what is the health risks to humans? So first, what is the effect of conventional energy sources to humans, especially in the health aspects? So first, we have this one is respiratory and cardiovascular disease. So long-term exposure to pollutants from fossil fuels contributes to asthma and chronic lung disease or increased risk of stroke and heart disease. Or for occupational hazards, like for those people who are working in the hazardous areas, so coal miners suffer from black lung disease due to prolonged exposure of coal to coal dust, while oil workers face cancer risk from exposure, while those people working in the nuclear stations, like for example the Chernobyl disaster 1986, led to a massive radiation release, so causing thyroid cancer, leukemia, and birth defects. So I think that's all, and thank you.